Hey guys, it's Decolation. Brian.
What's going on, guys?
So today it's a divide and conquer day type of day. And I would say Brian has the more technical job, but I have the more annoying job. But hey, it works like that. So today, Brian got the beautification job. He's getting this grill, radiator, AC condenser, all of the cooling in AC, finishing the AC system. You ready for that to be done? That's been your...
Yeah, I am ready for that to be done.
That's been the bane. But he's gonna be working on that. And today, I'm gonna be using this old trusty thing. You guys remember that from when I sandblasted the rear end. And we're gonna be my old brakes parts from the rear end. Get these. That's nasty red. It's chipping. I could paint over it and it might stay, but with all the effort and stuff I'm putting into the car, I might as well do it right. So we're gonna sandblast that. So I'm gonna get to be covered in sand, while this man's gonna be dealing with the AC system. All right, guys.
Covered in love.
Covered in love. Have a good one. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. Brian,
What's going on, folks?
you ready to make this your little fun project again?
Yes, my little fun project. How many holes can I drill in there? It's all about speed.
Speed holes. I mean, speed holes are a thing, legitimately. And while he's working on VIA, my painted calipers are done, so I'm gonna toss those on right here. But yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so now you saw me paint all of these calipers and caliper brackets. So reason why I wanted to paint these black, one, it looks a lot cleaner than just leaving it raw steel. And two, you don't get that rust. Now this wasn't spray painted, so this was actually brush painted. So as you can see, there's like rush texture on the brush stroke, and it's not supposed to look perfect. I don't want it to look perfect. I actually kind of like the rugged look with this, and most people, they're not like all the way up on your brakes or looking at it. They see the whole car and they're just like, ah, it looks good. So this is kind of my thought process on that. Like, I just like the way the protection factor of it, and doesn't have to be absolutely the best show quality, and this truck is going to be far from show quality. This is something that I want to use every day and just rip on it. But all right, we'll get back to when me installing the brakes and Brian continue working on the front grille.
Shut up and sit down. Romantic, isn't it? Shut up and sit down.
What are y'all doing?
What's that?
What are y'all doing?
Making little holes, bigger holes.
Hey guys, so what you guys saw was me finish these brakes, beautiful, beautiful brakes on all four corners. And Brian, you want to talk about your the reason why we're going to a part 2 on your tasking?
Well, let's just say there's holes that don't line up and modifications may be required. So yeah, we're gonna finish up the grill and the radiator tomorrow. I jumped ahead, so you saw me put the heater control valve on. So
Yeah, let's check
we
that
can have
out.
heat in the car that he's not gonna drive in the wintertime.
Oh, I'm gonna drive in the wintertime. And I get cold easily. So, but yeah, if you see this, it almost looks like almost OEM. So sitting here on the, we got these little bar clamp mounts, and the heater control valve sitting nice and mounted right there, and it looks like it's supposed to be there. So yeah, we got a little extra side project done. But all right. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you watching my videos. If you like the video, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. Have a good one. Peace.